Local businesses are getting 50 plus customer conversations every single day automatically on WhatsApp. No ads, no manual replies, and you know what is the craziest part? This setup is done under 5 minutes without coding. So yes, this is what exactly same we are going to build today. Because in this single video, I'll show you how you can design a fully automated WhatsApp AI assistant step by step using Pabbly Chatflow. This tool helps you to automate conversation, create smart replies flows, and engage customers 24/7 without you touching your phone. Now, imagine this. Someone sends a message to your business, ask about the services you are offering, including its pricing, then instantly your AI assistant replies to them, book consultation, ask about their information, and also give them a customized professional replies. Instead of you typing all the responses, your AI assistant handles everything. So I have designed this WhatsApp AI assistant for any local service business by using all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool named as Pabbly Chatflow. Now, without wasting any time, let's start building this automated WhatsApp AI assistant step by step. At first, open a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. After that, you will land it on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are new to Pabbly, then you will click on sign up free option and get 100 free credits every month to explore the software. If you are an existing user just like me, then click on the sign in option. But before doing the sign in process, I have something extremely valuable for you. If you also want to create this type of automated WhatsApp AI assistant for your own business, then go and purchase Pabbly tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. Trust me, this is the best tool that I have ever used. Now, after doing the sign in process, you will see all Pabbly apps. Here you have to go in this Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on this Access Now button, and then you will come on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. On the left hand side, you will see the multiple features of Pabbly Chatflow. We have already created a separate detailed video of the explanation of all of these features. Check the description below for the video link. As we are creating an AI assistant, so I am directly going in this AI assistant feature. See, this is the page where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp AI assistant for your own business. Here you can train your AI assistant with knowledge base to answer common questions. As we are creating a new assistant, so I am clicking on this plus add AI assistant button. After that, it will ask me to give the name to the AI assistant that I am entering as. Local businesses get 50 plus leads daily using WhatsApp AI step-by-step system. After that, I will click on this plus add AI assistant button and you will see our AI assistant is created successfully. Now, this is the starting point of creating your AI assistant, where at first you have to select the instructions type. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of instructions type. Here I am selecting the instructions type as AI agent, and as soon as I have selected the instructions type, it will automatically generate the instructions here. Instructions defines how the AI should behave and how the AI assistant will give replies to your user. In simple terms, these are the rules that AI assistant needs to follow while giving responses. You can make the changes in these rules if you want to. After that, the temperature. Temperature controls the creativity level of AI assistant, as lower temperature gives stable and accurate values, while higher temperature gives creative and flexible responses. Here I am setting up the temperature as 0.5. Next, the model provider I am selecting as OpenAI. After that, the model I am selecting as GPT-4o Mini. Next one is the API key. So for getting this API key, I am going to take you to my OpenAI platform. Now, for getting this API key, you have to click on this plus create new secret key button. After that, name is an optional. You can give it if you want to. Next, the project I am going to select as default. After that, the permission I am setting as all. Next, I will click on this create secret key button and you will see I got my API key. So I am copying it from here and pasting it in this field. And I want you to know that for generating this API key, your OpenAI account is need to be paid. After pasting the API key, I am clicking on this connect button and you will see it says that OpenAI key saved successfully. Now I am moving forward to the AI assistant settings, where the first one is the header message. The header message is the message that sends to the user at the start of the conversation. It is usually used for sending a welcome message or short introduction. So if you want to add any header message, then you can add it here. Next one is the footer message. The footer message is the message that sends to the user at the end of the conversation. It is usually used for sending a contact information or thank you messages. After that, the stop keywords. The stop keywords are those words that stop the AI assistant. For example, you have added some stop keywords here and the user will send that keyword while communicating with AI assistant. Then automatically AI assistant will become stop, and on that point human inputs is required to restart the conversation. So this is how stop keywords works. Next one is the retry attempts. Retry attempts define as how many times your AI assistant will retry to give replies to your user. You can increase the retry attempts till 10. Here I am not giving it 2. Last one is the fallback message. The fallback message is the message that sends to the user if your assistant fails to reply due to some technical error such as API key problem or an connection issue. Then this fallback message is going to be sent to the user for better conversation. Here I have added the fallback message is this, but you can customize it completely based on your business or company. Now I'm moving forward to the knowledge source where you have to upload the knowledge base file. See, this is the most important and the crucial part of doing the setup of AI assistant, where you have to upload the knowledge base file. Now what is knowledge base? So knowledge base is the information bank for AI assistant. With knowledge base, AI assistant gives business specific replies, but without knowledge base, AI assistant gives general responses. So in this video I am going to design an AI assistant for local business. So for that I have already designed one knowledge base file. See, this is the knowledge base file. Here I mentioned only some services businesses, that is home cleaning, salon at home, AC repair, and electrician or plumbing. So this is how the knowledge base file look like. I have customized this knowledge base file by my choice, but you can make the changes in it completely based on your own business. Make sure that this knowledge base file includes all the information about your business. Here I have added some FAQs too. Now after creating the knowledge base file, you have to download it in the PDF format. Until the file gets downloaded, I want you to know that the file size should be less than 90 MB and the accepted formats are .txt or .pdf. There is no page limit for PDF, but if the PDF has images, then it is limited to 10 pages. As see, the knowledge base file is successfully downloaded. Now I am clicking on this button. After that I am clicking on this add new file. Next I am dragging and dropping the file here. After that I will click on this upload file button, and you will see this is how easily you can upload the knowledge base file. After that, select it from here and click on this insert button. See, the knowledge base file is successfully uploaded. Now I'm moving forward to the assistant interface where you can design your assistant by making changes in each of these fields. At first I'm entering the heading as AI assistant for local business, and you can see that as soon as I have entered the heading here, it will automatically change here too. So basically this is the final look of the AI assistant that are going to visible in front of your user. Next, the subheading I have entered as we are online and happy to assist you. It is visible here too. Initial message I have entered as hi there, how can I help you today? Here I have added only one initial message, but you can add two. After that, the label that is powered by Pabbly, you can disable it from here if you want to. The footer text I have entered as privacy and policy, also added footer link, and the user first message I entered as I need help. Now I am moving forward to the styling. Here you can give style to your AI assistant by making changes in its themes, colors, and shape. As it is looking good, so I am not changing it, but you can customize it from here if you want to. After that, I am enabling this toggle and clicking on the save AI assistant button. So this is how easily you can do the setup of AI assistant inside Pabbly Chatflow. After that, the embed button. With the help of this button, you can access your AI assistant inside your websites or any other applications too. Now the setup of our AI assistant is completed. After that, I am setting up this AI assistant for my contacts. So for that, I am clicking on the settings option and going in this inbox settings. See, this is the inbox settings of Pabbly Chatflow where you have to scroll down and you will see one option by the name of AI auto reply settings. You have to make sure that to enable this toggle, that is AI auto replies. After that, select the contact list from here that I am selecting as all contacts, and select the assistant from this drop down that I am selecting as local businesses get 50+ leads daily using WhatsApp AI step-by-step system that we have designed recently. After that, you have to click on the save button, and this is how easily you can assign the assistant to your all contacts. Here I have set it the assistant for all contacts, but if you want to set it for any specific contacts, then we have also solution for that too. So for that, you have to go in this inbox feature. After that, select the contacts on whom you have to set your AI assistant. After that, enable this toggle and select the assistant from this drop down. Next, click on the save button, and this is how easily you can assign the assistant to any specific user. Now the setup of our AI assistant is completely completed. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while doing the setup of this amazing WhatsApp AI assistant, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. If you want me to create an AI assistant for your own specific business, then comment your business name below. I will create a tutorial on it too. This AI assistant will give instant replies to your users in real time like this without you touching your phone. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing automated WhatsApp AI assistant for your own business. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offers. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.